Guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make Jamaican chicken foot soup, and I'm just showing you the first step here real quick, so I want you guys to pay close attention and follow me here step by step as I put each ingredients in the pot. So right now I have chicken foot here, which I already washed and cut off the toes, and yes, us Jamaican love chicken foot. So I'm gonna throw these into my pressure cooker and some pumpkin. I diced some pumpkin, and I'm also going to throw this into my pressure cooker with my chicken foot, and I'm gonna add some water to that and put that on to cook for about 30 minutes. Here I have the pumpkin and the chicken foot into some water, and I'm gonna throw a little salt in there just to cook the chicken foot and the pumpkin because I don't want it to cook fresh. And I'm just gonna close my cooker and let that cook on high heat for 30 minutes. Here's a finished look of the pressured chicken foot and pumpkin. As you can see, the pumpkin is crushing out, which is exactly what we're going for. And I'm just going to go ahead and cook the soup in this exact same pot. I won't transfer it to another one because this pot is a perfect size. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you all the other things that I'm going to add directly to the chicken foot and the pumpkin. Okay, so I'm going to add these corn on the comb that I chopped. I'm going to add carrots, potatoes, and I'm gonna add a little bit of chicken to it because as you guys know, I'm cooking for my family and my husband doesn't like chicken foot, so I'm going to add these so he can have those. And then I'm gonna add these, which I'm gonna make some small dumpling and spinners with. And here of course I'm using the good old Jamaican chicken noodle soup mix, and I'm using two, but I don't want the noodles from both, so I'll go ahead and I sieve one into this container right here, which I'm gonna add at the very last. I'm gonna go ahead and just throw everything into the pot and put it back onto the stove. And of course I'm gonna add thyme and scallion, and I'm adding everything into the pot so it can have a nice flavor. And I'm gonna add garlic into it, and of course hot pepper, and I'm not gonna add much, just a small piece. Forget to show you guys is that because I want my soup to have body and I don't want to add cornstarch or flour to it, I just use a potato and shred it with my grater to get it really fine like this. And now I'm just gonna throw this directly into my pot, and that will give me the body for my soup. Shredded potato will just mash out completely. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add my cock soup in, mix that in, and after I add my last cock soup, I'll know the amount of salt that I need to add into my soup. And there you go guys, soup is finished. As simple as it gets. hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to Mel's Kitchen, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.